You might be praying every day, but is your heart really praying? Yes, God hears all prayers, but not every prayer reaches His heart. In today's gospel, Jesus tells the story of two men who prayed in the temple. One was a Pharisee who is very confident, proud, and full of himself. And he said, "Lord, thank you that I am not like other people. I fast, I give tithes, I do good things." The other was a tax collector. He stood far away, couldn't even look up. And he prayed, "God, be merciful to me, a sinner." And Jesus said, it was the humble man who went home blessed. You see, sometimes our prayers sound a lot like the Pharisees. We talk about our good works, but we forget to speak from the heart. God is not moved by perfect words, but by honest hearts. The proud pray to be noticed. The humble pray to be healed. So, when you pray, do not try to impress God. Just be real, be honest, be humble. Because before God, there is no room for pride in prayer. Amen.